Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. When I travel, I'm really intentional about what I keep in my carry-on, especially anything that helps me feel my best. And one thing I never leave home without is Beekeeper's Naturals Propolis Throat Spray. It's made with 95% bee propolis extract, and it's designed to support your immune system while soothing a dry or scratchy throat. And the bottle is small enough to breeze right through airport security because it's only 1 ounce. So I can take a few sprays right in my seat without any fuss. The taste is surprisingly pleasant. It's kind of slightly sweet. It's not harsh at all, which makes it something I actually want to use. I reach for it whenever my throat feels dry from flying, when I've had long days of talking, which is pretty much every day, or anytime I feel a little run down and want extra support. So it's keto friendly, paleo friendly, gluten-free, and it's packed with antioxidants. It's simple, clean ingredients that fit seamlessly into your routine. It's one of those small things that makes a big difference. And that is my point of view.